The Lesotho High Court has ordered the release of the youth leader of Opposition Alliance of Democrats, Thuso Litjobo, from custody after his family applied for a court order to see him and for his immediate release.
Litjobo told the High Court that police questioned him about defaming the head of police in the capital, Maseru, when he said on a local radio station that he seems to be actively taking sides in politics.
Another emotionally charged court battle. This time, politicians versus police.
I was taking a bath with my wife when my daughter came to the door and told me some men wanted to see me. One of them tried to force the door open, but it was locked, and he told me to get out and not waste their time.
He says they drove him to a police post outside his residential area at Hamokgadinyane and held him overnight, and the reason for his arrest?
They read the penal code and told me I was charged for defaming one officer, Motlatsi Mapola, when I said on radio that he seems to be actively involved in politics.
His family filed an urgent court application to see him and have him released immediately.
If Mr. Litjobo had been told to report to the police headquarters or central charge office,
would it have meant this kind of cost?
The final closing remarks from this judge in the form of a question whether it was necessary for police to hold Litjobo overnight. But the big question is it only a matter of cost, or did they overstep their mark in terms of abusing their power? All police are saying at this point is that they are investigating a case of criminal defamation, and they insist they are doing it by the book.
Oh yes, definitely. Whatever law, if there's any law that have been, contravened by anybody, that person or a suspect could be arrested at any time, at any stage, because to arrest somebody is part of investigation. Yes. Like, for instance, we have started our investigation, and to arrest him again, that is part of investigation.
Litjobo is relieved to be released. Police have another day to lay charges. The case is postponed to Friday. Ntakwana Ngatani, SABC News, Maseru, Lesotho.